Sumit dashed to go home early. Option B. Wanted. Sumit wanted to go home early. She dashed the piano every evening. Option A. Plays. She plays the piano every evening. They dash a movie when I called. Option C. Were watching. They were watching a movie when I called. I dash the assignment by tomorrow. Option C. Will have completed. I will have completed the assignment by tomorrow. By the time she arrived, we dash our lunch. Option A. Had finished. By the time she arrived, we had finished our lunch. He dashed to the gym twice a week. Option A. Goes. He goes to the gym twice a week. I dash for 2 hours when she arrived. Option C. Had been reading. I had been reading for 2 hours when she arrived. She dash her homework yet. Option B. Has not completed. She has not completed her homework yet. They dash to Paris next summer. Option D. Will be traveling. They will be traveling to Paris next summer. The children dash in the park right now. Option B. Are playing. The children are playing in the park right now. By next month, I dash here for 5 years. Option C. Will have worked. By next month, I will have worked here for 5 years. If she dash me, I would have helped her. Option B. Had called. If she had called me, I would have helped her. I wish I dash the answer. Option A. Knew. I wish I knew the answer. If it dash, we will stay indoors. Option C. Rains. If it rains, we will stay indoors. He dash here since 2010. Option D, has been working. He has been working here since 2010. I dash for you when you arrive. Option B, will be waiting. I will be waiting for you when you arrive. They dash for London next Monday. Option A, are leaving. They are leaving for London next Monday. She dashed TV when I arrived. Option B, was watching. She was watching TV when I arrived. By the time you get home, I dash cooking. Option D, will have finished. By the time you get home, I will have finished cooking. I dash him for a long time. Option C, have not seen. I have not seen him for a long time.